What up guys, welcome back to Earn by Design. I'm James Bowen. On this video we have updates on updates on updates. We've got tattoos, we've got a trip to Thailand, we've got new records in affiliate marketing, we're getting full speed back into Amazon, and coaching calls. It's going to be jam-packed, so enjoy. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the long delay. I have been moving back from Vancouver to Toronto. I'm here visiting my parents before heading off to Thailand. You guys have been blowing up my channel. I think we're almost at 4,000 subscribers. Actually, by the time you see this video, it probably will be 4,000 subscribers. So thank you very much for the continued support and engagement. And I am going to definitely step up my efforts and bring you guys a ton of value, specifically in Amazon FBA. So a little update. Here in Toronto, I got a tattoo. I got a tattoo in Vancouver. It is a black and gray rose. Got it on my hand. It symbolizes death to the 9-to-5 or death to employment. For what seems like 8 years, I've been battling with employment, jobs that I didn't want to be at, bosses that didn't respect me, nor did I respect them. I'm battling with myself, trying to compete against myself to be better in life, to to really live up to my full potential. It seemed like a lifetime of battling. And now that I've finally not escaped that, but I've beat myself in a few victories, I think we can finally, say that we've pushed through the boundaries and now I don't need a job anymore. So this tattoo symbolizes death to that part of my life, and we're moving on to bigger and better things. So I'm really pumped on that. Definitely not a great tattoo for corporate opportunities and things like that, so that's good. I don't mind. We're fully dependent on myself now, so got to keep it up, got to keep motivated and rolling, and so I don't need to get a job, or I won't need to get a job and say, yeah, this is a tattoo on my hand, it's a flower. So definitely risky, but I love the tattoo. Other news, I'm going to Thailand, Koh Samui, Thailand. We got a nice villa for a full month. It's going to be a perfect place to relax and enjoy and work really, really hard. Big things are coming down the pipe, and I need a space where I can just zone out, focus, and bring you guys as much value as I can. Thailand, Koh Samui, July 8th is when that is happening. So super excited about that. Affiliate marketing update. We have hit over $30,000 at affiliate marketing this month. Absolutely crazy to me. It just blows me away, and a lot of you guys have been asking me about that, so I want to touch base on it briefly. I think a lot of people want to jump into affiliate marketing and make a lot of money. I think, well, I mean, why not? I mean, that sounds great. But what a lot of people see and don't understand about my recent success in affiliate marketing is, yes, I started affiliate marketing earlier this month, but the whole process started April 4th. Okay, and what I mean by that is, since April 4th, I started selling on Amazon. And since then, I've been contributing into groups, building a following, positioning myself as not a leader, but someone who takes Amazon seriously and knows a bit about it. So when affiliate marketing products rolled out related to Amazon, I was in a good position to market products, right? So people trust me, they understand that I can bring value, or I would know what a good product would be to help them, and they're absolutely correct. So yes, I started affiliate marketing this month, but I've been putting myself in a position over a few months now. So how that can relate to you guys, let's say you don't have a following or a YouTube channel and you want to start, maybe you're into fitness. So what I would do is I would spend time positioning yourself as an expert in the fitness industry. Now, not everybody can do this, and I'm not saying you have to do this, but if you want to make big money doing affiliate marketing, this is definitely the way to go. So position yourself as an expert in your niche specifically. Don't try and be broad. And we're going to use fitness as an example here. So let's say you go to the gym a lot and you want to maybe document your journey from, maybe how your body looks now to how your body looks in the future, right? So just document your channel. You're going to share things on your YouTube, Instagram, social media platforms, the steps that you're doing to go from point A to point B, and that's going to help other people on similar journeys along, to get to that level, right? So all you're doing is documenting. You don't need to think of crazy content. Just literally get a camera or use your MacBook built-in camera or something and just document your journey and try and help other people do that as well. So as you're building up your presence on social media, on YouTube and platforms like that, you can even start a website or a blog. Really get into the habit of building your presence, adding value, and engaging with your fans, subscribers, followers, you name it. Be there for them. And the more that you are there for them, the bigger presence you're going to be online and the better opportunity you're going to have when you start rolling out affiliate products, right? So again, you don't need to do all this, but it's the best way to make affiliate marketing income, especially if you're passionate about fitness or another niche similar, right? So become passionate, build an online presence, start contributing to the community, and then match your niche with an affiliate marketing product that's going to directly help your followers. So what I mean by that is, just because, let's say a crappy fitness, supplement has 70% commissions, but it's an absolute terrible product, you should not promote that product to your fans and subscribers, because they're gonna get that and then they're gonna find out that the product is terrible and they'll never trust you again in the future, right? As they should. You only wanna put products that are gonna provide the best value to your subscribers. You're gonna get paid for it, and the customers and your fan subscribers, whatever, are going to be really thrilled with you. So everybody has to win, everybody has to match, and it goes better from there. So if you don't wanna go that route, or if you think that, well, you don't have a following and it's not easy for you to do it, guys, you can build a presence, right? Just with a little bit of hard work and a little bit of dedication and commitment, you guys can become present online. It's not that hard to do, especially with how easy the platforms are today to do it. You guys gotta just get to it, right? I mean, not everyone's gonna be an influencer, that's fine. Not everyone's gonna be huge on social media, that's also fine, but I believe everybody can contribute and document their own journey, because millions of people around the world are looking for others for guidance, and that person can be you. So if you don't do that, you have to be prepared to put yourself in position to make money on affiliate marketing. So let's say you don't want to document your journey. Well, maybe you spend time building blogs or websites related to fitness, right? So then you get a whole bunch of readers or unique visitors to your blog or website every month. Then you start dropping articles on certain supplements. So when people buy and click on those links in your articles, then you get sales, then you get commission, right? So it's definitely not easy, and it definitely takes time to build up your affiliate marketing income, but you can do it. It's absolutely possible. You just need a little bit of effort and time and commitment up front, and you guys can absolutely make money. So that's all related to my success. Just putting myself in a position to make money on Amazon, and that's gonna lead me to my next update, guys. I am fully committed to Amazon FBA now. I've been putting it off for about a month now to focus on affiliate marketing, but I've got that on lockdown, and I am totally feeling like I'm missing the boat on Amazon. Amazon is on a spending spree, buying up Whole Foods and various companies to build up their brand. They're positioning themselves to really eat the whole world. So I think myself, I need to capitalize on that. I think you guys should capitalize on that and learn Amazon. I think it's going to be a huge, huge player in the near future. I just saw that like huge retail box stores are closing down. Sears, I don't know if you guys know who that is, but they're laying off hundreds and thousands of people and shutting down their stores, and retail is coming online, and Amazon is positioning themselves to be a monster. So I'm gonna double down on Amazon, getting back into it. I'm gonna start product research ASAP. I'm gonna study courses. I'm going to design Facebook groups and ebooks and help you guys, help myself. We're gonna master it 24/7, and we're gonna definitely kill it. So really excited about that. I'm gonna document it, of course, for you guys, and show you guys different strategies on how you guys can win on Amazon FBA. So that's what I gotta say about that. Super excited. Going forward, I'm now opening up my program to coaching calls. I've been putting it off. I'm really trying to focus on what direction to go into on my YouTube channel. There's so many ways I can go about, and I was trying to focus. That's part of the delay, is just I need clarity to help you guys. So now that I have clarity, now that I'm focused on Amazon, I can touch base on affiliate marketing and different incomes like that. That's not a problem. If you guys want, we can talk about it. But my main primary focus over the next few months is going to be Amazon FBA. And I think a lot of you will appreciate that. So yeah, I'm doing coaching calls now, mostly related to Amazon FBA, but if you need help with affiliate marketing or, let's say you're building a brand on social media, Instagram, we can do that too. But Amazon, if you need help finding products, if you need help optimizing your listing, if you need help ranking for the broadest keywords on page 1, whatever you need help with, talking to suppliers, importing, let me know. I can help you with that. I charge $50 an hour, and yeah, tremendous value. I help people all the time with that, and it's awesome for me. I really enjoy giving and seeing people succeed and earning more off of the value that I've helped them. So really, really excited to get back into doing this. My email to message me for coaching is going to be in the description, along with Facebook. If you guys need to contact me there for, just to say what's up or say hi or message me for a question, for sure, message me there. But that's really all I want to talk about today, is just give an update. I'm going to be dropping way more videos on Amazon, staying committed, fully going all in again with this. This is my room where it all started. So I'm committed, I'm back working full-time grind. So really excited for that. If you guys have any questions or comments, please jump in the comment section below. I will respond to every single comment in this video as always. And if you want to see more of my Amazon FBA journey, or you like these videos, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. And I look forward to helping you guys on your journey and sharing my strategies for Amazon FBA. All right, thanks for watching, guys. As always, hope you have a great day.